Well, here we go again. So I ended up fixing that. So I put two self tappers in, cut them off on the other side. I managed here, I thought I'll just drill through, then put that third one in, and as I did, I drilled through the water tank. Well, I forgot was there because you can't see it. And I was just telling a neighbour before, I hope I don't drill through the water tank. Anyway, so I had to pump out the water tank. Here's the water tank. Now, what I did, you can see here, I heated it up and sealed it. Crisis averted, I think, at this stage. So just going to put all this stuff back together again. There, threads and lock nuts on the other side. I can't find the other two lock nuts, so self tappers, and it's solid now. Anyway, job be done. Right. Yeah, wasn't a quick fix either. Right, bye.